everybody. I'm at work tonight and I just barely realized I got the schedule sent to me a couple days ago, but I just barely realized that I'm bartending tonight, and I usually serve like most of the time, but tonight I'm bartending, so I came early and I decided to vlog my day at work tonight. I got my iced tea because I've been loving iced tea lately and I like it, so I have iced tea to get me going. And right now I need to check and see. Oh, she left me with everything she left me with so much. Okay, I just need to make a michelada mix and I need to cut some lemons, and yes, so you know, she left me fully stocked pretty much. Yeah, and I even have mints for the mojitos and Moscow mules, so I'm pretty good. All my liquors are stocked up. So I need to cut lemons and limes every day, get some, oh, I need to get some ice and get the water going. Making michelada mix. One lemon. I washed my hands. Make sure you take off the little butts. Well, I don't think it really matters for the michelada mix, but it's a habit for me. When I cut all the limes, I take off the little butts and the lemons. Now we got a juice. Before I forget, we write an X on there to mark it as michelada mix, because there's another bottle that we use as plain clamato, and that is Bloody Mary mix. It's not Bloody Mary mix, but we use it for the Bloody Marys. We also have Bloody Mary mix in a little bottle. Just a lot. Careful, try to get all the juice. All as much juice as possible in there. Another line. Kiss, 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 kiss. I want to play my K-pop music, but 20 drops of Tapatilo, but I'm gonna add 24 because I'm 24 years old. Today's Friday and I'm bartending again. I'm actually like the second bartender because Fridays are usually busier, so we usually need like a second one. But actually it's not really that busy, so I'm able to like kind of sneak in a little film session. On Wednesday, because I bartended on Wednesday, I kind of got a little bit embarrassed, so I stopped filming because my coworkers were coming. So I was like, I'm gonna stop filming. So that's why I just kind of cut it off. And also I forgot that I was vlogging, and I got busy anyways. But right now I was able to sneak in a little moment. I'm here in the office, my grandma's office, because actually my grandma is the owner of the restaurant. So I'm here hanging out here for a second. Okay, don't mind the background, but at least I chose it, and I chose to film in here because it's private, first of all, and second of all, the lighting. We have a little lamp right here, so I love the lighting. So yeah, so okay, I'm here at work and I'm bartending tonight. I bartended on Wednesday, and on Friday I decided to wear my shirt that's a little more feminine, and my necklace and my lip gloss, so that, you know, you could kind of run the tips up a little bit. This generous man, all he ordered was some vodka shots, and he gave me so much tips. Like, he gave me a big tip twice, so that was very generous of him. Okay, so let me see if I can catch some footage of the actual job. So another thing is that I told the guy my name, which my waitress name is Tally, and he was like, "Oh, Tally, I'm like Halle Berry, except you're prettier." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." So that was sweet. I think he heard me say, I'm not sure if he heard Tally or Halle. He probably heard me say, he probably thought my name was Halle, but still, yeah, that was so sweet. Okay, so an order just came in and I'm here. So I'm probably gonna have to leave soon because it's pretty busy. You can tell, it's pretty busy. You can see the bar, and on this side, there's people in the bar. Yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit sneaky because, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands and I'm gonna make these drinks and I'm checking out, all right? So, because I gotta get back to work. Maybe I'll check in after when we're cleaning. All right, bye, peace.